Alright everyone, so this evening we're opening up one box of 11-12 Limited. Auction just finished probably about half an hour ago. So thanks for the quick payments everyone. So we'll quickly run through the teams. So Anaheim, Teeks 643, Tidwell grabbed Boston, Blues, Buffalo, Felix, Victoria, Calgary, Eldonco, Carolina, Tidwell, Chicago, Sukagill 69, welcome back again, Dean. Columbus, Tidwell, Colorado, Felix, Victoria, Dallas, Josh, Season 1, Detroit, Teeks, Edmonton, Blues, Florida, All for Kinds, the LA Kings, Montreal, Crunch 38, welcome back as well, Teeks, Minnesota, Eldonco, Nashville, New Jersey, Tidwell 34, the Islanders, Eldonco, Tidwell, the Rangers, CM Punk 2011, Ottawa and Phoenix, Eldonco, Philly, Josh Season 1, Pittsburgh, Gerard grabbed the St. Louis Blues, Teeks, the Sharks, CM Punk 2011, Tampa, Subterfuge, Toronto, Tidwell, Vancouver, CM Punk 2011, Washington, and Teeks with the Winnipeg Jets. So Teeks and Tidwell, each with 5+ teams. So each of you will be getting a pack of 11-12 Elite in your package. So the box we are opening up, serial number as stated in the posting, 99120113. Alright, good luck everyone. Box is empty, we'll get our checklist. Alright, our first card, base. For the Anaheim Ducks and Teeks, Corey Perry. Card numbered 246 out of 299. Our second hit going to the Dallas Stars and Felix, Victoria. Base of Mike Ribeiro. Card numbered 183 out of 299. Our third base is another one for the Dallas Stars, Ed Belfour. Card numbered 215 out of 299. Jumbo jersey number for the Boston Bruins and Tidwell, Brad Marchand. Card is numbered 12 of 49. Got a jersey for the Anaheim Ducks, Teemu Selanne. Card is numbered 83 of 99. Alright, we got a nice Jumbo jersey number auto. Going to the Pittsburgh Penguins, And Josh, Season 1. Jumbo jersey number auto, Evgeny Malkin. Card number 18 of 25. So Pittsburgh's been hot in my breaks. Crosby auto in the last one. Now the Malkin auto. And our final card going to the Carolina Hurricanes. And Eldonko, crease cleaners of Cam Ward. Numbered 197 out of 199. So the Malkin definitely the highlight of this break. So we'll bring out our poker chips, guys. So once again, every spot you got in this break gets you a ballot for a hobby box of your choice, plus the other prizes listed in the forum. So we'll start with our giveaways. So we're giving away, start with a couple packs of 11-12 Series 2. So first pack of 11-12 Series 2 going to the owner of the Edmonton Oilers and Edmonton Teeks 643. So pack coming your way, Ty. Second pack of 11-12 Series 1 going to the owner of the Carolina Hurricanes and Eldonko. No-hit bonus cards for this break. From Captain C, we got a Dave Taylor auto. And joining that card, Tough Franchise, the New York Rangers. Tydomi, Chris King, Beck, and Footu. So those two cards going to one individual. So if we do pick out a chip which that respective owner has already received a hit, we will move on to the next one. Owner of the Tampa Bay Lightning. And Tampa did not receive a hit in the break. So CM Punk 2011. Dave Taylor auto. Tough Franchises, the New York Rangers. Those will be in your next package. Alright, so we'll move on to the bonus wall. So we got our die. Alright guys, so we'll roll the die. And I'll grab the list. Terrible roll. Didn't go anywhere. So we've got the 6. So I'll grab the list, grab the prize. Alright, guys. We're giving away Evander Kane autographed 8x10. Oh, you're right. That is the Brian Lill auto. Yeah, Brian Lill auto, 8x10, but it's got Evander Kane in the photo. So we'll randomly pick a poker chip. That respective owner will get the Brian Lill autographed 8x10. Alright, give the poker chips a mix. Brian Lill 8x10 going to the owner of the Carolina Hurricanes. Carolina, El Donko once again. So congratulations, El Donko. That 8x10 photo will be in your package. So that is the break, guys. So thanks for participating in the break. Make sure to check out the rest of the auctions on the site and the limited case break by Teeks. So thanks, guys, and enjoy your evening.